Hey guys, so I thought I would show you all what I do on a daily basis here in Texas as like my work makeup. It's super simple, so it's really not going to take a whole lot of time to show you, but I'll just show you what I do every day and then kind of explain what I do if I'm feeling a little bit extra and I want to add something else to my look. As usual, I always start with my brows, and I've actually gotten back into the micro brow pencil, mostly because the brow definer, which I still love, is really thick, and it typically makes my eyebrows really thick. And I've kind of been feeling the more like filled in, more natural look for my eyebrows while I'm here. Just because like I'm around middle schoolers and I don't need to have full glam on. Like I don't need to impress the little 12 to 14-year-old peoples. So I'm just gonna probably fast forward the brow filling part, but it's the typical way that I do it. And then of course once they're filled in, I brush them out. And I add a little bit of brow gel. The brow gel I've really been loving is the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in the color Light. And then my next step is concealer. The concealers that I brought with me are the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define and the Tarte Shape Tape, of course. So I'm just gonna put the Conceal and Define right under my eyes, on my lids, and then wherever I have like a little bit of extra redness. So like right around my nose, I got a little spot right there. Sometimes I'll put it on my chin or on the top of my nose, but I'm probably going to be wearing glasses today, so I'm not going to put it on my nose. It's going to be covered. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my Real Techniques setting brush. And as usual, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Fair, and I'm going to add that to my particularly dark areas. And then I'm going to blend that in with the same brush. And then I'm gonna set that with the Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. When I originally bought this powder, I thought it was fantastic. I really kind of like the cooling sensation that it has, but through taking some pictures here with friends and stuff, it has really bad flashback actually, and I'm not here for that, but it is the only powder that I brought, so it's the powder I have to use, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my concealer with this powder. And now I'm going to go in with highlighter. The one that I have been using is the Lorac, what is this called? It's just the Lorac highlighter in the color Daylight. I'm actually really loving this, and I also recently bought the Morphe M5 tin brush, and I love it to highlight, especially with the products that are more natural looking, like this one. They look really good with this brush. Then if I'm feeling extra risky, which I am today, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Hustler Baby and this Eco Tools brush. It's called the Controlled Setting Brush. And this is actually really great for highlighter, and I'm just gonna place that Fenty Beauty one right on the very top of my cheekbone, on the tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to go in and do my brow bone and my inner corner highlight, and for that I'm going to use the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian and this Colourpop E9 brush. And then usually at this step I would just go ahead and go in with mascara. If I wanted to do a little extra makeup, I did bring a bronzer and a blush with me. I might add a little bit of blush today just to try to get rid of this whiteness on my face. So I'm going to go in with the Lorac blush in Technicolor and my big Real Techniques blush brush, just to try to add a little bit of color. Kind of just feeling like adding a little bit of a bright eyeliner, like just to play with something today. So I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Contour eye pencil, and this is in the color Blonde Ambition, and I'm just gonna do this on my lower waterline. And I'm feeling really inspired by Pinterest today. Let me pull up the photo that I'm going off of. So I saw this on Pinterest this morning, if the camera will focus on it. And I just really love the pop of yellow here. So I'm gonna add a little bit of the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Halo, which is just their yellow, obviously. And it looks like she just has it like on her entire upper lash line, and then on her lower lash line in the inner corner and the very outer corner, but not in the middle. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm just kind of feeling like doing something a little more fun today. I'm gonna try really hard not to mess it up on the bottom and still let it dry on the top. So I'm going to curl my lashes and then add some mascara. The mascara that I brought with me, I actually ended up bringing the NYX, what is it? Oh, the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, which I actually really like. I've had a hard time finding a drugstore mascara that I like, just because I am so obsessed with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. But I actually really like the NYX Worth the Hype, so that's what I brought with me. And then for my last step, I usually either just do a little bit of chapstick or a little bit of nude gloss, or today I'm going to be using the Lipstick Queen Frog Prints lipstick. So this is the green one that changes to your perfect pink. So yeah, make sure you like this video if you enjoyed my quick little everyday makeup routine, and as always, comment down below if there's anything that you want to see from either me or Anna or both of us, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. and turn on the notifications so that you're always notified when we post a new video. Thanks for watching this one. Bye!